Hey everyone, welcome to Financify. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful using your mobile phone. Let's get right into it. First, open the Paxful app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down to Security to access your account security settings. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. Here, you will see the option to disable 2FA for different actions like login, transaction, or withdrawals. Tap on the toggle to disable 2FA for login, transactions, and withdrawals. A prompt will ask you to confirm. Enter your password or the current 2FA code if required. Once done, you will see a confirmation message that 2FA has been disabled. And that's it. You have successfully disabled two-factor authentication on Paxful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video.